Welcome to our video guide on how to start your own accounting practice. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or just starting to consider entrepreneurship, this presentation will walk you step by step through what it really takes to launch a successful firm. We'll cover everything from strategic planning and client acquisition to managing operations and driving long-term growth. So let's dive in and set you on the path to becoming a practice owner. Here's a quick overview of what we'll be covering in today's session. First, we'll start with an introduction to accounting entrepreneurship, what it is and why it's a rewarding career move. Next, we'll discuss planning and structuring your firm before exploring how to build a thriving client base. Then, we'll tackle the essentials of managing daily operations effectively. After that, we'll look at strategies for navigating compliance and risk, and finally, we'll wrap up with growth strategies and a summary of key takeaways. Each section is designed to give you actionable insights, whether you're pondering a launch or ready to scale. Let's begin by exploring the entrepreneurial mindset behind starting your own accounting firm. Launching your own accounting practice isn't just a business decision. It's a chance to take control of your career and make a genuine impact on your clients' lives. To succeed, you'll need financial expertise, careful planning, and a strong sense of initiative. This journey is exciting, but it does require a willingness to adapt and embrace the challenges of entrepreneurship. Running your own firm means balancing technical know-how with smart business strategy. You'll need to develop flexibility, nurture meaningful relationships, and set a clear vision for your business. These qualities, adaptability, connection, and vision, will empower you to rise above obstacles and achieve long-term success. With this entrepreneurial foundation in mind, let's look at the essentials of launching your practice. Starting a firm involves three critical areas. First, there's the initial setup. You'll need to allocate budget for technology, office space, insurance, and marketing, all essential components for a smooth launch. Investing early in the right accounting software, cybersecurity, and workflow systems will pay dividends in efficiency and compliance. Second, choosing your business structure is crucial. Whether it's sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation, your choice impacts everything from taxes and liability to branding. Don't hesitate to seek expert advice. An informed decision here can shape your path forward. Finally, strategic planning sets your roadmap for the future. A robust business plan helps you define your services, target market, and growth objectives. This plan isn't just a formality. It guides every operational decision and prepares you for real-world challenges. Now that your foundation is set, let's talk about attracting the clients who will drive your success. Growing your client base is all about building relationships, marketing effectively, and demonstrating expertise. Here are 4 approaches to win clients. Niche expertise makes you stand out. Whether you specialize in nonprofit, construction, or healthcare accounting, your unique skills will attract clients looking for targeted support. Networking fuels rapid growth. Attend industry events, join associations, and engage in webinars to expand your connections and earn warm introductions. A strong online presence is essential. Create a professional website, leverage social media, and encourage client reviews to boost your visibility. Investing in content marketing and search engine strategies ensures your services are easily found. Referrals are the backbone of an accounting practice. Build lasting relationships with clients and professionals, and participate in local business groups to encourage word-of-mouth recommendations. Remember, a compelling value proposition and proactive outreach are key to long-term client success. Once you've attracted clients, efficient operations will keep them satisfied and returning. Operational excellence is vital for growth and profitability. Let's break down the 3 pillars of effective management. Talent management means hiring, onboarding, and training the right staff. Strong performance management and regular feedback create a high-performing team that can grow with your business. Digital solutions, such as cloud-based accounting software and secure document management, improve collaboration and protect sensitive data. These platforms also make scaling easier as your firm expands. Project management tools help you monitor deadlines, boost productivity, and allocate resources wisely. Time tracking and calendar systems enhance client engagement and streamline your workflow. By integrating these elements, you can deliver high-quality work while keeping your practice profitable. Of course, managing risk and compliance is equally crucial in building trust and ensuring sustainability. Every successful firm follows a process for risk and compliance. First, identify all relevant audit and regulatory requirements for your area and industry. Stay informed on licensing and tax laws that could affect your services. Next, prepare by drafting compliance templates and keeping documentation up to date. Professional liability insurance is another smart investment. Once prepared, regularly monitor regulatory updates and client records. Software alerts can help you spot issues before they become problems. Finally, report accurately and transparently. Submit required documents and disclosures to clients and authorities, and address any compliance concerns swiftly. Risk management is the backbone of client trust, reputation, and regulatory success. Now, let's focus on the strategies to unlock sustained, long-term growth for your practice. Scaling your firm calls for diversification, technology, and ongoing learning. There are 4 key drivers of growth. Start by expanding your service offerings. As your firm matures, consider adding consulting, tax planning, or virtual CFO services. These generate new revenue streams and strengthen your market position. Leverage innovation by adopting new technologies like AI-powered tools, analytic dashboards, and e-signature platforms. Automating and streamlining your workflow helps you scale efficiently. Prioritize training and professional development to keep your skills and those of your staff sharp. Certifications and ongoing education showcase your expertise to prospective clients. Finally, pursue strategic partnerships with other professionals in law, IT, or HR to facilitate cross-referrals and broaden your portfolio. These relationships deepen client connections and support lasting success. But how do you measure growth? Let's look at some key metrics for a successful practice launch. Success is measurable. With the right mix of planning, operations, and risk management, your practice can achieve impressive growth. For example, 95% of new firms report growth within the first 2 years through active marketing and referrals. 80% of successful owners rely on cloud-based accounting and project management tools to lift operational efficiency. And 60% of practices expand their services and partnerships to boost client retention and profitability. Tracking these metrics gives you a clear sense of your progress and highlights areas for improvement. All of this brings us to the final step, from careful planning to scalable growth. The journey to launching your accounting practice is one of strategic decisions, ongoing learning, and adaptability. Begin with planning, craft a tailored business roadmap, and secure the resources and support you'll need. Then, grow by embracing technology, forming alliances, and adding new services as your market evolves. Remember, professional development is the key to amplifying your expertise and delivering real value for clients. Thank you for joining us. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more actionable insights. Your journey as an accounting entrepreneur starts now, so take the first step with confidence.